And of course, they returned to a country that openly discriminated against them. But of course, many of our soldiers in World War I were conscripted and weren't issued boots or rifles. How do you send someone into war without a rifle? If you don't care about them being killed, that's how. Right? By World War II, they got a full kit, just like their Pākehā counterparts. But when Koro Bom came back from the war, he would tell us when he came back, we were just discharged and forgotten about. And when he died last year, we talked about all the stories he told us about what it was like to come back from the war and just be forgotten about. No pensions, no benefits, nothing. Right? And of course, they returned to a country that openly discriminated against them. It did so before the war years. It conscripted them into the war years and did so when they returned home.